tell that she's eating a birdseed. And she's trying to get it. And yeah, she's on YouTube now.
Oh.
Oh god, she got over probably 70 now.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh yeah. But it also helps other people who have a pig for a pet. You know? Little
Or
tricks you can entertain them with, or stuff like how they're
Or they might be
languages,
thinking of
and yeah, or if they're planning on getting one, it helps out. Raven, pig, yeah, you.
She know her name, sorta.
Oh, she knows if she decides she wants to listen to it. Like if I yell at her, hey, she'll come. I'm not gonna do that because I'm finding it entertaining that she's trying to get the birdseed on the other side of the fence there.
There's the sky. Oh, maybe that was it.
Yeah, it was like cloud, sky, cloud, sky. Raven, baby. Hey. Yeah, you. One with the chubby belly. Raven.
Oh, you got somebody's attention.
Oh, I got the dog's attention.